Hey guys, welcome to Michelle's Opinions. Today I want to show you how to make your subscription visible so that content creators can see that you are an actual subscriber. And with this promo that we have going here, part of the conditions are that you show up on the list. Also helps for me to take accounting for who is coming in, the activity, and I will assign numbers like I said with the Excel spreadsheet. As I put you guys in, it will give me the number, and as I see you active, I'll write the number on a piece of paper and throw it into the bowl. And yeah, it's going to be so much fun. Okay, so let me show you really quickly how easy it is to change that. And I myself did not even know about this until I became a content creator myself and started looking into all the options. So here we go. Okay, I was recommended to get a backup account. So we're going to look at my backup account right now and give you the instructions to help you be able to do this for yourself. Okay, I'm on my backup account. You know, just like everything is normal. All right. So I'm going to go here. Well, no, actually, since it's showing up here for me, I can go to my channel from here. But let me show you another way. I could go to my channel from there, but I want to show you a different way where you can go into your channel, because you're wanting to go into my channel. You click that, okay, and then your homepage comes up. All right, then you click on customize channel. Customize channel. Okay, then this page will come up. See this little cog here next to your subscribe? Click on it, and this box will show up. This is your channel settings. For privacy, keep all my liked videos private. Keep my subscriptions private. Keep all my saved playlists private. Okay, well, it's the second one here. Keep all my subscriptions private. Turn that off. Then go down to the bottom and hit save. It's just that easy. Now this account will show up on all these people here that I have subscribed to on my secondary account. Just in case something happened to my primary account, I still want to make sure I don't lose my, the people that I love so much, and I enjoy watching their content. And it's always a good idea if you start making YouTube videos to set up a secondary account. That was very good, solid advice that I was given. Now I'm going to go through it one more time. This time we're going to go through it this way. Okay? So you got your drop down. I get my channel. Click on it. Okay? Customize channel. Click on it. And then go to the little cog here. Click on it. And as you can see, I've already made the change here and I saved it, so it's there. Keeping all my subscriptions private? No. This way I show up on the list of content creators so they know that I am subscribed to them. So I'm going to undo this one because I'm trying to keep this channel kind of quiet, just in case. And as you know, YouTube makes you wait a certain amount of time as permissions are granted. So yes. Now let's go back. I've saved it and I'm back to my home page. Okay. So that's how simple it is to change that for you. So that way there's no confusion. on, are you on the list? Are you eligible? And all that good stuff. Also will help, because as people are subscribing, they'll show up on that list. Then I put them on this spreadsheet, because when we do this live drawing, that'll be pulling a number, and then I'll look them up on the spreadsheet, and I'll show you guys everything. I want to keep the subscribers' privacy private, so that I will be cautious of. But when I draw the number, I will be able to easily go into my YouTube and see if they are still subscribed. If they're not, we'll draw another number to somebody else who is active and a subscriber, as we're growing this family together. We are just, in the beginnings of this, and it's absolutely wonderful. Remember, it's 1,200 is what we're looking for. We're about halfway there, even with the little hiccup that we're dealing with. You guys are so wonderful and so amazing. I'm going to play the promo for you so that you know what this is all about here, so then you know what I'm even talking about and why I'm showing this to you, and then we'll close out. Hey guys, we're gonna have a gratitude promo here. When we reach 1,200, I will reveal the subscriber amount and we will begin awarding prizes. Let's build this community together, where we can share what we know and we can listen so we can grow. This promotion is the first of many to come, and it tells me that I'm actually getting somewhere with the message, and this is my way to thank you. Make sure that your account shows up as visible. If you've already subscribed, make sure it's visible because you're already in. New subscribers, make sure you're visible so you can be eligible. Showing that you're active, either by commenting, live streams, on the Patreon. The more times I see your name, the more times it goes into the drawing. You must be at least 18 years of age or older in order to win a cash prize. Make sure you pay attention, because when we hit 1,200 subscribers, you will see that I will reveal it, and then we will have a live announcement show to announce and draw the winners. This is my way of saying thank you for all of your support and sharing what you know so others can listen and grow. Guys, we're in this together. I can't wait. This is going to be so much fun. The more you're active, the more you get put into the hat. Peace. I also want to remind you guys that I will be going back to the Saturday when I did the early release on the call-in show and seeing activity from there. So I do not want somebody to not be eligible over something as simple as checking a box that they, are showing visible. Now, this doesn't give content creators any of your private information. All it does is give them your YouTube handle. That's it. And you show up as a subscriber listed. Also helps us content creators be able to see if you're a content creator and go and check out what you've got going on. If you don't show up on our list, then we don't know. So it makes it difficult to support each other. So yeah, this is going to be great. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I don't want anybody to lose out over a technicality. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Michelle's Opinions. We're on this journey together. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You may want to bookmark this page You can sponsor the channel for as little as a cup of coffee a month. But if you bookmark this page, we can continue on with the work there free of charge on their platform. I will see you soon. I love you all so much. Have a great day. Peace.